Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to run a speed test to see which server might actually be the fastest one for us to use. We're going to test, at least in my situation, is the fastest server the one they pick for me, or is it the closest server to me? And so you can repeat this experiment at home for yourself as well and see what kind of results you get. So let's start over here. I'm going to first just disconnect. If you don't have Nord brought up, go ahead and I'll close it down here. I just want to click on your icon. It'll open up. Or if you don't have it listed down below, you can search for it. And then go ahead and type in speed test in Google. And it should open up something like this. And so this is what we're going to use to run our speed test. Now let's go ahead and click secure my connection. And go ahead and click fastest. And let's see, it's going to, so in this case, it actually said it thinks Seattle is going to be the fastest for me. So now that I'm secured to the Seattle server, let's run a speed test and see how fast this actually is. Now, what you're going to want to do is make a note of your download and upload speed so we can compare. So I am writing down Seattle, and we had 519.6 for the upload. And then for the download, 16.0 for the download. Let's keep going, and now let's go over to Portland. So Portland's actually the closest server to me. And so now I want to run this test again and see, is the server that's closest to me actually faster, or is the Seattle server the faster one? And so now I'm going to run this test again, and I'm going to make a note here for myself, this is the Portland server. And it came in at 549.8 for the download. So that is faster. Absolutely. And the upload is a little bit faster as well. So that's what's interesting in this little experiment here. NordVPN, when I told it, get me the fastest server, it chose a fast server, but not the fastest. Let's do Los Angeles next. I'm just kind of curious here. And I'm going to run this test again. And just to see how it compares. And again, you can do this where you're living as well and see, is the fastest server, when you select fastest server, is that the one that's actually fastest for you? Does it pick the server that's closest to you? Oh, now this is interesting. Los Angeles is actually 604.3 and the upload is 15.7. So again, fascinating. This one's actually the furthest server from me for Oregon. Portland would be the closest. Seattle would be the second closest. So Los Angeles is actually the furthest away between all three. But it actually gives me the fastest download speed. And so, again, something you can run on your end and see how the speeds compare. But I'd be curious, if you do run this test, let me know down in the comments. When you select the fastest server as your option, when you select this, do you get the fastest server, or is it not necessarily the fastest? And does it select the server that's closest to you, or does it select one that maybe isn't as close, but it thinks it's going to be the fastest? So anyway, just wanted to show you how that works, how you can do that experiment at home yourself. So anyway, hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.